Autodesk's tagline, "Make Anything," gave us the motivation and inspiration to build India's first customizable 3D bioprinter. Design and engineering have always gone hand in hand towards helping us at NextBig Innovation Labs build disruptive products for the medical and healthcare sectors.
Once we had our in-house built 3D bioprinter, we decided to work on our first line of 3D bioprinted products, which is 3D bioprinted skin tissue. Our 3D bioprinted skin tissue has a twofold effect, where one, it can be used to replace animal testing for cosmetic and pharmaceutical sectors working on skin-related applications, and secondly, where it can be used for clinical applications where our 3D bioprinted skin tissue can be used as a skin graft to treat skin-related injuries and burn victims. Initially, we started using Autodesk Fusion 360 to design and develop certain pipette holders and customized jigs specific for our biotech applications. We have built plate holders which can hold the plates onto the bioprinting stage, and this ensures for minimal movement of the plates during the bioprinting process.
We consider ourselves to be an engineering company as well as a biotechnology company. So when you're looking at the engineering realm of things, you need a support structure in terms of partners who are going to help you build key technologies as well as develop unique designs that help to improve the processes of your technology. We've been using Fusion 360 for 3 years now to design specific extruder as well as bed components as well as the chassis for the machine. So if you notice, most of our components within the machine is actually additive manufactured. So we are using either 3D printed metal or plastics that are designed in Autodesk Fusion. Another aspect that we were looking at was using milling and sheet metal cutting in order to improve and also design unique chassis for the machine. The printer weighed close to around 90 kilograms. We wanted to bring it down. The optimal point was around 60 kilograms. And that's where generative design in Autodesk Fusion 360 actually helped us in a very big way. We need the extruder to actually have a certain level of micron precision. So using generative design, we were able to bring down the weight of certain components within the extruder from 143 grams right down to 43 grams. We have actually improved certain aspects of our machine that helps us print scaffold that are even close to 10 microns apart.
The increase in the usage of cloud storage and cloud computing is also what caught our attention. When we ourselves looked at what Autodesk had to offer, we were quite confident of the encryption capabilities of the cloud as well as the advantages that it gives us on the go. Innovation in design and research in the areas of precision and personalized medicine is what will enable us at NextBig Innovation Labs to service the healthcare needs of 1 billion plus people.